The Sony HDR-PJ440 is a full HD 60p camcorder that has a built-in projector, a 2.7-inch LCD display, wide-angle G lens, and wireless and NFC connectivity. How much is the Sony HDR-PJ440 camcorder? This full HD camcorder from Sony is priced at $399.99. Now let's have a look at some of the main positive and negative aspects. With a 9.2 megapixel CMOS sensor, the Sony HDR-PJ440 can record at full HD 1920 by 1080 resolution. Its wide-angle lens provides a wider span and it lets users zoom in up to 60 times. Blurry images are also eliminated thanks to its Optical SteadyShot image stabilization feature. Aside from wireless connectivity, it also allows data backup through NFC One-Touch technology. Since it already has a built-in projector, you will also get the benefit of two products in one. Here's our conclusion. Get the most out of every experience by bringing your Sony HDR-PJ440 Full HD camcorder with you. Thanks for checking out our review. To find out more about this product, click on the link below this video now.